tracks on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod exist nowhere else. Purchases made on the device, or music synced from a computer you no longer have. Apple syncing only works one direction, computer to device. There's no way to copy those tracks back to a computer. iMazing works in both directions. Export your music to your Mac or PC as files or straight into iTunes or the Music app, and drop new tracks onto your device without syncing, metadata included. In this tutorial, we'll cover it all: exporting music to a folder on your computer, exporting straight into iTunes or the Music app, and importing music from your computer back onto your device. First, download and install iMazing from iMazing.com. Then launch the application on your Mac or PC. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Once paired, you can also connect over Wi-Fi. In iMazing's main window, click Devices in the left sidebar. You'll see all devices that have previously been paired to your computer. Select the device you want to work with. At the top, you'll see the main data sets. Click the music icon. iMazing loads your music library. You'll see all your tracks, playlists, and filters for genres, artists, and albums. You can collapse the sidebar by clicking the arrow so you have more room to work. From there, drag tracks straight from iMazing onto your desktop. To export a playlist, select it in the sidebar and drag it the same way. For individual tracks or albums, use the filters and the search bar. To transfer your music as files, click the Export button in the bottom right corner and choose Export to Folder. The Options window shows exactly how many tracks will be exported, and you can still switch from your selection to the full library here. Below that, you will see your folder organization. Keep artist and album checked, and iMazing builds a clean structure: one folder per artist, one subfolder per album, tracks inside. Click Next and pick a destination: your computer, an external drive, or a NAS, and iMazing transfers everything, showing you its progress in the Operations panel. If you'd rather send your music straight into iTunes on Windows or the Music app on Mac, choose Export to iTunes or Export to Music instead. Same selection logic, but here you also choose which metadata comes along: playlists, star ratings, play counts, skips, and last played dates. iMazing skips tracks already in your library, so no duplicates. On Mac, the first time you run this, macOS asks you to authorize iMazing to control music and system events. Approve both prompts once, and you're set. When the transfer completes, you get a full log, exportable as CSV. Now here's how it works in the other direction, from your computer to your device. Select your device, open the Music section, and click Import from Folder in the bottom toolbar. Pick the folder containing your music, subfolders included, and confirm. Or skip the dialog entirely. Drag files from your computer straight into the music view. If some tracks are already on the device, iMazing asks whether to skip the duplicates or keep both copies. Your imported music shows up directly in the iOS Music app, ready to play. iMazing supports the following formats: MP3, AAC, Apple Lossless, AIFF, FLAC, and WAV. Enable Only Show Transferable Media above the toolbar to see the tracks that are ready to transfer. Turn it off, and you'll see what was hidden and why. Tracks stored in iCloud are identifiable by a cloud icon. They aren't downloaded to your device and can't be exported. Download them to your device first. Then refresh your music library, and the track will be available to download. Some tracks are DRM protected. They carry a small logo. They will transfer, but to play them, you may need to authorize your computer in the Music app or iTunes, and iMazing will remind you that. That's the complete picture. Your music moves in both directions, with playlists, artwork, ratings, and play counts untouched. And as always, no cloud. Your music stays local, on your computer and your device. Your tracks aren't compressed or altered. Your library stays perfectly organized, and all metadata are transferred. Download link is in the description. Subscribe for more iMazing tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.